There's the old adage of if you measure it, you'll improve it. The measurement is something that everybody tends to shy away from. It's the report card. If I'm going to get a D, do I really want my managers to see it? And the answer is yes. But you have to look at it in the light of, I want them to see it so they know where I'm starting. I want them to see it so that when I move to a C or a B grade, for example, I've actually accomplished something. There's some key performance indicators that defined opportunities for improvement. With those, what's my percent of man hours that I'm capturing? Where am I spending the most resources? The only way I know that is if I start capturing data. Where am I spending the most money? How effective is my storeroom? How much of my inventory am I turning? How much of my inventory is idle? Percent of unplanned hours versus percent of planned hours. When we talk about unplanned versus planned, if it's unplanned, it's firefighting. It's out of control. You don't know what you're doing day to day. Most people, most manufacturing facilities, they need structure. The more structure you have, the more consistency. The more consistency, the more control you have over your cost. One key measure is percent maintenance cost for product. To come up with the measures, it's extremely important to come up with a benchmark. And a lot of manufacturing plants have a tendency to look outwardly for a benchmark. And they start comparing themselves to other facilities. It's okay to have a standard to say, here's where we want to be. And to have a benchmark to say, as an organization, here's where we want to get to. But when you start measuring internally, you have to stay internally. Your situation, your current state, has to come up with a starting point, and then you grow from there.